In today's video, I'll be showing you 2 quick and easy ways to use aloe vera to grow thicker, longer and healthier hair. I'm going to be showing you how I use aloe vera on my sister's hair to maintain massive hair growth. I also use this on my hair and it has really helped me. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. So I have a couple of pots of plants in my compound, aloe vera plants, so I went ahead to pluck about 4 leaves of aloe vera. I went ahead to cut this into pieces. I'll be soaking this for about 30 minutes to 1 hour to make sure that the yellowish substance called latex, which is not healthy for the hair, completely comes off. This latex contains compounds like aloin, which are known for their laxative effect. It is important that this laxative is washed off from your aloe vera plant before use. So because my aloe vera plant isn't so fat and big, I won't be able to use it on her hair like that. So I went on ahead to blend this and I'll be using a wig cap to sieve this out. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using aloe vera plants on your hair. Aloe vera offers several benefits for natural hair. It increases hydration and retains moisture in the hair. Its gel-like substance is a natural moisturizer which helps lock in moisture and prevent dryness. So I would love us to go start the application. So before I start applying this to my sister's hair, I went ahead to take down this cornrow carefully by first of all spritzing her hair with water mixed with conditioner, and also I went ahead to apply some oil. So let's fast forward and let's be done. So when I'm done taking down her hair, I'm going to be taking her hair section by section and I'll make sure to massage this aloe vera into her hair. After applying this into her hair and making sure it penetrates, the next thing I'll be doing is to detangle her hair, first with my fingers, then with a comb, and then I went on ahead to twist that section back up. Now, back to the benefits of using aloe vera on natural hair. The vitamins contained in aloe vera can help remove dead skin cells from the scalp, and it also stimulates hair follicles, potentially promoting hair growth. Other benefits of using aloe vera on your natural hair include soothing the scalp, enhancing hair shine, making the hair more manageable and easy to detangle like you can see in the video, and finally it reduces frizz. This is also safe for kids from 5 months old all the way up. This section is over and guys, I am done with applying the aloe vera to her hair. I'll be covering her hair up with a plastic bag. Feel free to make use of a shower cap or anything that will help retain heat into the hair. So guys, I left this in her hair for about 30 minutes to 1 hour and I went on ahead to wash it off. So this is the next day and I'm going to be showing you the second way to make use of aloe vera, and that is aloe vera oil. I'll be dropping the card up there of how I made this oil. So before I go on ahead to apply the oil, I'll be doing the LCO method, which is liquid, cream and oil, and this is my liquid from yesterday, which is water mixed with conditioner. So guys, I'll be applying this section by section like I did the aloe vera juice. Make sure your nails are perfectly cut or filed so that it doesn't snag on your hair or on your model's hair. The second thing I'll be doing is to apply a leave-in conditioner into her hair. I wasn't paid for this, so I'm not going to be mentioning the name of the leave-in conditioner. Just make sure you get a water-based leave-in conditioner. I'll be sectioning her hair into multiple sections and then I'll start applying the oil. To apply this oil, I'll first of all focus on her scalp because this is where our hair grows out from. You don't just go on ahead to apply the oil to your hair and leaving your scalp. Your scalp is where your hair grows out from, so ensure you apply this oil into your scalp and also massage this in while you are at it. So as you can see, I apply it on her scalp and make sure it runs down into her hair. So I'm going to be doing this for all the section of her hair. Guys, it's funny how natural hair shrinks so much. To think that my sister's hair is bra length, you will never believe that her hair is bra length because of her shrinkage. I think, in fact, her shrinkage is worse than mine, or will I say better than mine, but hers is so terrible. If I tell you that her hair is getting to her bra length and even past her bra length, you wouldn't even believe me. Natural hair needs to stop tormenting us, honestly. Okay, I think I'm talking too much. I'm just going to leave you to look and watch how I'm doing this. Please guys, while you are at this, I know that time might be running out, you might be tired. Just make sure you do it with all patience, because natural hair requires all the patience in the world. Trust me, sometimes I use hours to do this, so I think I'm already used to giving time. That is why my sister's hair and as well as my hair is thriving. So natural hair requires patience. We didn't start this yesterday or today. We've been doing this for years. It requires patience. As you can see, I'm handling it with all the care that I could handle it with. So guys, I'm just going to leave you guys to watch this video while I do my thing. As usual, I would like to do my magic, go off camera, come back, when everything is twisted up, but it looks like magic because I'm just going to, do my fingers like this and then the hair is done. So guys, I'm done with oiling her entire head, and the next thing I'll be doing is to apply this oil again into her scalp, because sometimes you might skip the scalp because of how full your hair can be. So you can go on ahead to apply the oil lightly again to your scalp. So after applying this into her scalp, I will start massaging her hair. If you have been on this channel, if you have been an OG, if you've been following me for a while, you know how much I talk about massaging. It is important to massage your scalp, as this helps to stimulate blood flow in your scalp, which in turn promotes hair growth. You guys can tell that my sister was enjoying this whole head massage. In fact, she told me to continue until she fell asleep. She's so funny. If you have gotten to this part of this video with me, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, why not hit that subscribe button? Share this video to natural hair sisters. Okay, after enjoying this whole process, my sister has something to tell you. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end of this video. Give me a thumbs up, share this video. If you are not subscribed, kindly subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. For now, guys, bye.